Hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome back to our video tutorials and welcome to our new Vexel art tutorial. Welcome mga lodi, and I would like to thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. And ayun po, before I start this series of tutorials, first of all, I'm asking for understanding kasi pinanood ko yung mga previous tutorials natin or videos, and sorry for the background noise sa mga maiingay na kapitbahay. Sorry for those unnecessary noises like vehicles, animals, people shouting. I'm doing my best to make video tutorials more engaging, more inspiring, and more professional naman. Kahit papano, I'm doing my best. Maraming salamat. So, I think we can now start with our video tutorial. Okay guys, so we're going to start with the Lineart. Okay, make sure to download the reference and the color palette below the description. Always check our descriptions for instruction, for the link of our references or the resources that we needed. Okay, and guys, lagi kong sinasabi na ang line art or ang dapat nyo lang i-trace ay yung darkest or blackest color or part of the image or the reference. Okay, ano ba tong mga part na to? Okay, these are the hairs, especially hairs are black, and then except of course yung mga na blonde or blondie or colored hair. Okay, and then next are the eyeballs. Ayan, like this one. Okay, and then second tip in making the line art, do not make it perfect. Okay, I mean, kapag nagla-line art ka, hindi kailangan that the hairs should be traced properly. Okay? Hindi kailangan na lahat ng strand ng buhok or all the strands of the hair dapat matrace. Okay, kagaya ng eyebrows or eyelashes, kagaya nito like this one, it doesn't need to be traced exactly properly or what. Okay, we only need a outline. Okay, outline sa line art. So what does it mean? Kagaya po ng like when we are drawing, diba? Kagaya ng pag nagdo-drawing tayo mga lodi, dapat yung line art natin is just a draft. Okay, so here in Vexel art, the technique that I'm using, I'm just tracing some parts of the face, something like this, diba? As you can notice, hindi ko na trace ng maayos, or I do not trace properly the eyebrows. Okay, I just need to make a outline or an outline. So kailangan matrace ko lang yung mga dulo-dulo niya. Okay, this will serve me or serve us as the outline. So magiging outline po siya. Then as time passes by, okay, pag mag-shadings na tayo or after shadings, we can fix these line arts during the retouch. Okay, so don't spend so much time in your line art. Okay, so tandaan nyo lagi, always remember that line art is just the outline. Okay, just like this part of the hair. So we do not need to make our line art or our outline perfect. Okay, hindi naman kailangan na perfect yan mga lodi, kasi if we spend so much time in perfecting the line art, we are going to waste a lot of time. Okay, so we should ensure that the line art is that we don't spend much time with it and focus our our time with the details or shadings, okay? Because line art, we can fix it during the retouch or the final editing of our subject. So I think okay, so this one can add this one or this not yet. Okay, I think that's all for the Lineart tutorial, mga lodi. I hope that you learned something at may natutunan kayo. And if this video helped you or may natutunan kayo, mga lodi, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment below, and then please subscribe. Oops, web mistake, stroke. Okay, so that's it, mga lodi. That's it, guys. I hope that you learned something, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.